Good morning, everyone. So I am going to show you what I got in the Azure haul, and we're going to start with the bigger items, but I'll start with the cream so I can put it back in the refrigerator. So we got some heavy whipped cream, and I'm going to put that away. And then we got some Lotus rice, and we got this in the 11-pound bag, and I got this because I'd like to can some rice. And next we have some Khamut wheat berries, and we got a 25-pound bag, and we have some soft white wheat. We also got some rice noodles. We got one package of the brown rice and one of the white rice. We also got some chocolate chips. It's going to be for some cookies. And then we also got some red lentils, some cayenne pepper. We got a box of apples, a 20-pound box. I did not want to lift that, so there it is. I also got some balsamic vinegar, 3 of them, and we also got some molasses, and we also got pint jars, and I got 3 of the regular mouth and 1 of the wide mouth. We also got some live plants, and I'll append those at the end of the video. So today we are going to be processing those apples, and I'll show that on a separate video. Well, we almost forgot to mention the butter, and this is one of my favorite things to get from Azure Standard. And you get 3 8-ounce packs of the goat butter for $18.66. Definitely worth it. All right, so let me see if I can tell you everything that I got. We have 2 hot habanero peppers. Those 2 are for my sister Mary. And then we got 3 brandy wines, and those are the red ones. And then we got 3 of the yellow brandy wines. We got 3 of that. And then I got the striped romers, and we got 3 of that as well. They don't look very happy, but on the Azure Standard website, they do tell you that once you get your live order, you want to take it out and give them at least 24 hours to acclimate, because they've been sitting in a cold truck in the fridge. Well, the truck is, I don't know if they call it a refrigerated truck, but they're quite cold. So you give them about 24 hours, and they should pack right up. And I did give them some water, and I also fed them. And I fed them the Fox Farm Grow Big liquid fertilizer. So we'll see how that goes. And so these tomatoes are supposed to replace the ones that I had planted, and I did my planting a little too early, and those plants died, and I didn't feel like I have enough time to grow some more plants from seed. And I can show you what one of them looks like. So yeah, they completely just died one morning. Well, we woke up one morning and the leaves were just falling off. So these are my replacements. And I'll let you know how things go over the next few days. So it's the next day, late in the afternoon. So it's almost 24 hours. And the plants are looking a little bit better. And I went ahead and removed all the lower leaves that were touching the soil. So a little later, when the sun starts going down, I'll take the plants back inside and I'll bring them out again tomorrow. And they're definitely looking much, much better than yesterday. And we will see you on the next one. Bye.